Yeah, hurry up. Yeah. I'll get it. Anything else? So that's the mission, y'all. We loading up block. We're gonna be installing block up there soon. Everywhere we took out these circles right here, they're called louvers, but I don't think everybody understands what I'm talking about. These are stone louvers, which were like for old ventilations, like decorative stones to go in front of the ventilation. Okay. Salud. We're trying to get them all up, no, Beto. For all of them. For all of them. I know. We're going to get that up, then another one, then another one. Yeah, so we're going to be laying a block to fill behind these louvers where we're on top of the bell tower. Up there. You know what? Let me zoom in. I'm going to show you. There's a hole up there we're going to fill in. Can y'all see that in the distance? That hole right there. That hole right there. Where the buckets are. That's where these things came out of. So now we're going to fill those holes solid with block. And then we're going to put brick in front of it. Then we're going to put these stones back where they were on three sides of the bell tower. On the back side, we have another louver, which is a square, modern, made out of aluminum. It's not going to be seen, but it's still the same color of the stone. But that one's going to be the only ventilation required for the entire bell tower. Everywhere else, it can't be opened up like that because it's too much ventilation. Moisture's getting in. It was causing some water issues, which is why we destroyed half the tower. But y'all, please subscribe and check out my channel. Look, here we go. Got the block going up. Going up to the first floor. Yo, Rich! Right there, Beto. You gotta go all the way up, all the way up. 104 people watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. We got all this material going up. We just had all this material come down. We're gonna clean them. We're gonna shine them up a little bit, and then we're gonna send them back up in about a week. Sometime next week. Yeah, we're gonna be installing block work here soon.